Hi everyone, welcome to our new lesson. Students, look at this image. Why is he so sad? Yes, his bicycle's tire is punctured and there is no air. What can he do for that? He can fill the tire using cycle pump. What does he pump? He pumps air into it. Now he can ride the bicycle. How does the bicycle move? With the help of tires. What is inside the tire? Air is inside the tire. Can you guess our topic? Our topic is properties of air. Our learning objective is to identify the properties of air. We need space to see. What about air? Let's see an experiment to show air occupies space.
This is an experiment to see if air occupies space. So let's put this inside. It can fit. Now let's blow the balloon. Now after we blow it, it won't fit because air occupies space. It can't fit inside because air needs more space to fit inside.
Take a balloon and blow it. The size of the balloon becomes bigger and bigger. When we blow air into a balloon, it expands. Why? This happens because of the air fills up the space inside the balloon. This activity shows that air fills up the space. At the ends of a barbecue stick, Priya hung two inflated balloons at the ends of a barbecue stick. She pricked one of the balloons with a pin. Do they look the same? Find out the reason. All of you can do the same experiment and find the reason. First, you need to take two balloons, blow air into two balloons and tie each of them with a string. Take a long scale or hanger and tie the balloons at both the ends of it. Tie one more string at the middle and hang it or hold the hanger properly. Take a pin and prick one of the balloons. What might happen when you prick one of the balloons? Why? The side with the pricked balloons goes up. Air has weight, so the inflated balloon side comes down. Let's watch the experiment.
Hi friends, today I am going to show you an experiment to prove that air has weight or no. So first I have blown two balloons tied in a hanger. Okay, now let's start the experiment. So I am going to pop one. Now you can see the popcorn balloon has gone up and the air balloon has come down. That means air has weight than you.
Now the time for completion of investigation sheet. A. To investigate air has weight. Materials required: two balloons, string, stick, tape and thread. Hypothesis: does air have weight? You can write your guess. Do you think air has weight? You can write yes. If no, you can write no. Then procedure. After that, your observation you need to write. Then conclusion. Visual representation of the activity. When you are doing the activity, you need to click the photos and paste it. Self-evaluation. You can do the self-evaluation. Thank you.